Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Unwatched Recipes channel. With the arrival of the blessed month of Muharram, we start making ashura. I will make an ashura for 1,000 people. Our ingredients are 4 kilograms of beans and 3 kilograms of chickpeas. I need to soak these dried legumes the day before. After washing them with cold water, I soak them and leave them outside for one night. "22 kilograms of wheat will be used. I add plenty of cold water to the wheat, and if you don't boil the wheat, after 12 hours, change the water because the food may go rancid because the weather is extremely hot. Add the beans and chickpeas to the strainer. After draining the water, add them to the pot and add boiling water. Boil the beans for 1 hour and boil the chickpeas for 2 hours. Use a colander and discard the foams formed on the pot. According to the Islamic belief, the 10th day of the month of Muharram, where many important events related to the life of the prophets are experienced and the symbol of abundance, sharing and unity, is made, being an important day in the history of the prophets. The day of Ashura, derived from the word ahara, meaning 10 in Arabic, coincides with the 10th day of Muharram, the first month of the Hijri year. I'll take the ends of the dried figs and then chop them. I'm going to chop the figs using a large sharp kebab knife and soak them so they don't stick to the blade. According to hadith sources, the events of Prophet Noah's ship saving from the flood and Prophet Musa's passing through the Red Sea and saving the Israelites from Pharaoh took place on the day of Ashura. I will chop the apricots the same way. I will add raisins and currants in a bowl and soak. I wet the figs with cold water. These materials should leave their black color in the water. After chopping the walnuts a little, I wet them with plenty of water. 2 large pots for 500 people will be used. I fill a lot of water. I will add the wheat and boil it. Now let me ask a question here. My bottom pot is big, my top pot is yes, because of the shooting angle, the top is the pot for 300 people and the bottom is the pot for 500 people. After adding the wheat, I will boil it at high heat. If you turn the fire low, it will sink to the bottom and burn. I'm going to crack the nuts. So I add them to the bag and hit them lightly, but I'm hitting them slowly without crumbling. When we look at the history of Ashura, we see that the starting point is that the ship Noah embarked on settled on today's Mount Judy when the Great Flood ended and the waters receded, and that the survivors cooked salvation soup with the food left on the ship. After the wheat boils a little, I will transfer it to the other pot and use the boiling water to remove the blackness of the other ingredients. I sink pots. I'm soaking rice 2 kilograms. I add coconut to make it smell nice. Clove. Equate the wheat rate. I will wash the materials we soaked yesterday. As you can see, the black water of the walnut and the other materials have black water in the same way. I add it to boiling water and I will bathe the ingredients here. We will make sure the black color is gone. I take out the ingredients without water and divide them into 2 pots. I add rice. I add sugar. We use beet sugar. I use 34 kilograms of sugar for 1,000 people. I will add the starch and vanilla powder after mixing it with cold water. Finally, I add peanuts without shells. Now we will set out to distribute Ashura in the city center. Please leave a like and comment on this recipe. I have always tried to make tutorial videos and I will continue to do this. I am waiting for your donations with the super thank you feature. I need to buy a car, you can leave a tip, support me. See you in a new uninteresting video. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love, goodbye.